Good morning, kids. How are you today? I hope everything is well with you. My name is Teacher Chan, and I am your science teacher, and welcome to our class. Today's lesson.
Hey, good day, class. So, this is teacher John Ryan again. Okay, this is Science 1. So, our lesson for today is about sound. 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 Sound pawalay. Okay, you can see it. At the top of the sound word, there is a pasatay there. So, you can read it, class. But before that, before we tackle our topic, I want you to read the vocabulary. So, this is our vocabulary for today, and I hope you read it properly and you pronounce it properly. So, teacher will read first, then you follow. Okay? So, number one, pitch, pitch. Number two, loud, loud. Number three, volume, volume. Number four, vibration, vibration. Number five, sound waves, sound wave. Number six, senses, senses. Number seven, echo, echo. Number eight, noise, noise. So that is our vocabulary for today, and we're going to proceed our third pages. So sound, sound. What is sound? A sound is a noise, something you can hear if you're in the right spot, and it's loud enough. Example, a doorbell, a doorbell, a fire alarm, a fire alarm, a cat's meow, a cat's meow, or your brother snoring, your brother snoring. They're all sound. So those you can hear outside your house, outside your house, and inside the school campus, inside the room, your classmates running, your classmates shouting, that is all the sound. So let's proceed to the next. Sound is a form of energy. It comes from a vibrating source. Sound travels in invisible waves. You cannot see it, but you can feel it. Example, if someone or some people playing in the playground, they're shouting, they're talking, and then the birds is singing. All you can hear is sound. So sound can travel through solid, liquid, and gases. Example, solid. This one, the table, the ground, that is solid. The wall, that is solid. So liquid, liquid. So liquid is a kind of example, water, that is liquid. And gases. So you know what is gases? For example, the air, that is gases. Okay? So the sound can travel through solid, liquid, and gases. So next, sound characteristic. So the sound characteristics, all sounds are not alike. So not the same. They're different. So pitch and loudness makes the difference. So pitch and loudness make the difference. Number three, pitch is a quality of sound, a tone in a range of tones. So number four, pitch is determined by a frequency of the sound waves produced by its source. And okay, low frequency sound waves. So low pitch. Try to look at the upper side of the screen. So the sign of the wave like a long wave, but that is low. You see, very a little bit space on each other. Okay, so that is the low pitch. Okay, so now the second one at the down part. So very close the string. So the upper side is like, okay, you see, like this. And then the second one is like very close. Okay, so the upper side, that is the low frequency sound waves, that it means low pitch, low pitch. When things vibrate slowly, they make a low sound. So when things vibrate slowly, so it means low pitch, slowly, they make a low sound. So try to listen this one. Okay. Yes, that is the sound of the low pitch. So number two, this one, high frequency sound waves. It means high pitch, high, low at the upper side, and this one high. So that it means high pitch. This one that it means low pitch. Okay. So try to look at the string. Okay. This one, this is the low string. There is space. Okay. And then this one, this is the high pitch, the high frequency sound waves, the high pitch. Okay, very close. So when things vibrate quickly, they make a high pitch sound. So we try to listen. That is the sound of the high pitch. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, create a low pitch when the vibration is slowly, it creates a low pitch. Okay, slowly it means low. It means low pitch. Low, not high. Huh? Slowly it means low. So you see the string? You see the string at the upper side of the screen? You see? Okay, this one. So now number two, when a shorter piano string vibrates, it vibrates faster and creates a higher pitch. So when the string vibrates faster, so it can create a higher pitch. It means faster, so it can create a higher pitch. So now listen to the different pitches. So this one, um, you see the string at the upper side, and it means the low pitch, and then the second one, this side, any, so that is the higher pitch. So you see the string, very high, very high, and then the upper side, that is low pitch, like this one, and then the second one, like, okay. So now listen to the different pitches. Okay, just hear it. Teacher will play. Number one, you see there's a speaker on the down part of the screen. So teacher will click it one by one and then you listen. So this is the different pitches of sound. That's the sound of number one. And then we proceed to the number two speaker. Yeah. Then proceed to the third speaker. And then the fourth one. Okay. And then the fifth one. And then the last one, number six. So you hear it from the low pitch to the higher pitches. Okay, from low, then up, going to the high pitches. So don't forget, class, the low pitch is the string of the upper side, you see, that is the wave of the string. So, and then the high pitch is in the lower side of the screen, that is, you see that string, the wave of the string like this. Okay, that is the higher pitch of the string. So next, loudness. So this one, loudness. Loudness is characterized by a high volume of intensity. You see, there are two string. You see the string? Ani, two string. There are purple string and a yellow string. So a purple string is a little bit high to the yellow string. So purple string is a loud sound wave. Purple line. That is the purple line. This is the purple line. Okay. So the second one, soft sound wave. Yellow line. That is the soft. You know what is soft? Soft power line. Soft sound wave. It means low, low pitch, yellow line. And then the purple one, this one, the big one, ani, okay, loud sound wave, purple line, that is the high pitch. Okay? Have you thought about why the Native Americans would put their ani ear pawalay, ears pawalay? Okay, so they put their ears on the ground. You know what is ground? The ground, like the ground. Here's the ground. Ground and listen to determine where the sound coming from, to determine where to hunt or to determine who is coming. You can hear the noise. Example, the the footstep or the vibration from the sound. You can hear it where it coming from. So that is their technique from a long time ago, because long time ago, no what is it? I forget it. Okay, so okay, sound. Sound can travel faster through non-porous solid. So non-porous solid, the wall, the ground, and the wood, table that is solid. So in liquid, Liquid, it means water. And done, it does through gases such as air. So the solid and the liquid is more than faster. The sound can travel through solid and liquid is more than through gas or air. The sound can travel through air, but the liquid in the solid is more than faster. So number one, let's count the meter per second. Okay. So number one, sound travels. This one, number one. Sound travels. Sound travels through air. Air pa walay? Air pa walay. Okay. At about 300 meters per second. So number two, sound travels through liquid. Ani liquid ah. The first one is air. Then the second one is liquid. So the air is 300 meters, and then the liquid is at about 1,500 meters per second. So number three, sound travels through solid. The first one, air. The second one is liquid. The third one is solid. At about 2,500 meters per second. So now solid are conductors of sound. You see, the solid are conductors of sound. The solid is more than faster than the liquid than the air. Coach, am I? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so now let's proceed to this topic. Okay, so the first picture, there are three pictures. So each picture, it has a sound. So now the first one, when you mix all the high and low pitches. So let's hear it. When you mix all the high and low pitches, listen, I will click the first picture. Okay, you hear it? So that is when you mix all the high and low pitches. So now number two, with both soft and loud tones, with both soft and loud tones. So now let's hear it. Okay, that is the sound coming from the second picture with both soft and loud tones. So now let's hear the third one. So, and it mixed, and it's mixed in just the right way. So the right tones, the right way, mix it in the right way. So listen. So that's it. Sound is a beautiful way to communicate. So let's proceed to the other one. Today about sounds and pitches. So this one, Try to listen and try to select the correct answer and answer it properly. Okay, so we have, I think, 5 items. So very simple. All you need to do is familiarize what is our topic, and then you can write the correct answers. Okay, let's go. Select the correct pitch. So number one, so select the correct pitch. The number one here, this one. So all you need to do is to write your answer inside the box and same the number to the Y inside the box, and there are two options. There are two choices. This one is a high pitch. High pitch. High pitch. This one is the low pitch. Low pitch means low. Low pitch. Okay, try to remember what our topic. This one, this kind of wave. What is this? This one too. So the answer is here. All you need to do is to choose wisely. Okay, so next, this one. Match the strings to the type of sound that they are making. So, same as usual. String, the waves. So, string, this one, and this one too. So, inside the box, you can put your answer. There are three choices. This one, one. This is one answer only. No sound. No sound. And then this one low and this one high. You can choose ani, ani. Okay, so which one here? Okay, number one, this one. What is the answer? So number two, what is the answer? Number three, what is the answer? Okay, get it? Good luck, guys.
I hope you enjoyed our lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.